Welcome back. Yeah, this is Bill's Wildcat Math class. We're on number 31 right now.
Quite the intro. Wait, I didn't get every single part of it.
Okay, so we're given y is equal to 1 over 20, x minus 3 squared. Wants to find the vertex, the focus, and the directrix. This is a long time ago. Okay, so I would say sketch it. Which way is this thing open? Opens up, right?
Yeah.
It opens in the direction of the non-squared variable.
Yes.
Notice the y is not squared. And the a value is positive, so it's going to open in the positive y direction. So it's going to open up. What is my vertex?
Zero. 3 0.
3, 0. Very good. You guys are geniuses.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's my vertex. It's going to open up. Okay. And focus. Here's my axis of symmetry, right? Go ahead and add that on there. X equals 3. So how far away is my focus from my vertex? I know that, I do know that A is equal to 1 over 4C. And C is that distance that we're looking for, right? So in this case, 1 over 20 is equal to 1 over 4C. So C has to be equal to 5, right?
Yes.
So that's the distance from the vertex to the focus. So up 5. And then my directrix is perpendicular to my axis of symmetry. And it's the same number of units away from my vertex. So at negative 5, there's my directrix. And that's going to be y is equal to negative 5. Questions on 31?
How did you get?
1 over 20 equals 1 over 4c.
Okay.
I could cross multiply. 4c equals 20. Yeah?
Yeah.
C equals 5.
Got it.
Yes, sir.
So the vertex is just whatever number is inside the parentheses?
Well, it's the opposite of this guy, right?
Oh, okay.
And then your k, or the y value, is out here, right? Yeah.
Wait, what about the line you said?
What about the y-intercept?
Like, how'd you get it?
I didn't.
So it just goes somewhere? You don't have to?
It goes somewhere, yeah, they didn't ask for it,
Okay.
but it's gonna be 9/20ths, I guess. They didn't ask for it, but yeah, that's what it's gonna be. This is actually be a really wide, this one. But they didn't ask for that. If you wanted it, you make the x equal to 0, yes? Find the y-intercept? Yeah, it'd be 9/20ths. All right, 32. Says complete the square to rewrite in vertex form. What's another way to put it in vertex form? Yes, sir?
B over 2A.
You could just find the vertex, right? The x part would be negative b over 2a, yes? That would give us the x, and then we plug that back in and get the y, right? Then we just put it in vertex form, right? Test multiple choice. How are they going to know which way you did, right? Okay. So, one of two ways, but we're going to go ahead and complete the square here. So y is equal to x squared minus 6x, leave a space, plus 14, leave a space. So what goes in the first space? How'd you get that?
You gotta take half and square it.
Half of b squared, right? So half of this is -3, squared is 9. So plus 9. What goes over here? Minus 9, I gotta keep it equal, right?
Yeah.
So this factors into x minus 3 squared. Remember, when you're completing the square, if you do it right, you don't even have to think about the factoring. It's just this variable, this sign, and then half of b squared. This becomes what? Plus 5. We're done. Good? 33. Alright, this says put in vertex form. You cannot complete the square unless the a value is equal to 1. So we're going to end up with fractions here. No, we're not. Let's do it the other way. Let's do the negative b over 2a to see both ways. You know what I mean? Alright, so the x part of the vertex is equal to negative b over 2a. So that's negative 6 over 2 times 3. So that's negative 1. So I know my vertex is negative 1 comma something. How do I find the other part? Plug it in. So 3, negative 1 squared plus 6, negative 1 plus 1. Negative 2. Everybody okay with that? So my vertex is negative 2. So vertex form is going to be y equals x plus 1 squared minus 2. There's the vertex. And then the a value is the same as the a value here. So that 3 goes there. Questions on 33? All right, turn to page 34. We'll be following right the equation of the parabola. Focus is at 1, 4, and directrix is y equals negative 2. So sketch it. Alright, so there's my focus and my directrix. So how do I find the vertex? Which way is this thing open? It's gonna open up, right? So I know it's going to be y equals a x minus h squared plus k, right? So again, how do you find the vertex? Derek?
Halfway between the directrix and focus.
It's got to be right in between this point and this point, right?
Yes.
It's got to be right in the middle. So it's going to be negative 1, or 1, comma, 1, 1?
Yeah.
4 plus a negative 2 is 2. Divided by 2 is 1, right? Okay. So we can plug that in. Y equals x minus 1 squared plus 1. Now I just got to find my a value. And I know that a is equal to 1 over 4c. And in this case, the distance from the vertex to the focus, or the vertex to the directrix, is how many? 3. So a is equal to 1 over 12. And is it a positive or a negative a? positive because it's opening up, right? There we go. Any questions on 34? Alright, 35. Okay, so my directrix is x equals 2. So if we sketch this, vertex, x equals 2. So which way is this thing opening? That's my vertex. It's opening to the left. So that's going to be x equals a y minus k squared plus h. We know our vertex already is 0, 0. So I can plug that in. So it'll be x equals y squared. Yeah? The h and the k are zeros. I don't need to write those anymore. And then we know that a is equal to 1 over 4c. In this case, c is how many?
2.
2. So 1 over 4 times 2, or 1 over 8. However, it's opening which way?
To
To the left, so I know my a value is going to be negative. So it's negative 1/8. Any questions on 35? Okay, we're going to take a break. We'll come right back.